Hello from the food forest and from my little nursery here within the food forest. Today I want to show you my newest additions, still in pots. Fantastic little fruit trees I found from different places. All of them, I don't have any of them yet in the food forest, so really new varieties for me. I was looking for a long time for some of them and couldn't get hold of them, so yeah, now I have it here and we'll show you what I've got. So let's get into it. The first one I want to show you today is Nangapaya. If I'm pronouncing it right or wrong, sorry if not. So the label says Nangapaya, South American Oigenia, sweet tasty fruit similar to the Rio Grande cherry, self-pollinating selection. So I love all sorts of berries and I think Nangapaya will be a nice addition. So I've got 2 of them just to make sure, and just for the cross-pollination, maybe more fruit, then we will see how we go. So the next one is the Pitomba, and it says an excellent ornamental shrub. The Pitomba produces bright orange-yellow fruit with soft, melting, juicy flesh with highly aromatic, slightly acid flavor. They are good eaten fresh or made into jelly or preserves. So, never tried this fruit, neither tried the Nangapaya or the Pitomba. It will be nice to hear from you if you grow some of the fruit. If you could maybe comment below what you think about the fruit. I've got 2 of them as well, just to make sure. I've got an orange Grumichama. I have the black one and the yellow one. This is an orange variety. Also never tried this one, but because I love all sorts of berries, so I guess will be nice to have it. So the label says the fruit is the tropical equivalent of the cherry and just as difficult to resist. The fruit is born in clusters and is delicious eaten fresh. So we will see. Orange variety will be really interesting. I've got one of these. I also have eBay found. This is the Oigenia Observa, Pitanga de Pedri, or de Pedris, Pitanga de Pedris. Is anyone growing it? Anyone of you? Let me know what you think. So yeah, this is a little seedling. I've got another one that I've got off eBay, and look how sad it looks like. It does look. It can bear rooted, and when I got it, all the leaves were totally dry and fall off. So the little tree is still alive, and I really hope for a miracle. We will see how it goes. So this is the Savannah cherry. I was really looking forward to have it, but yeah, still hoping. We'll see what happens. I've got the achacha here, a cousin of the mangosteen. Achacha are targy and refreshing with a delicate subtle sweetness, a fine balance between sweetness and acidity. So that's not the end, guys, not the end yet. Another one I've got here is guava purple. I don't have this one yet. I have all sorts of different guavas, and I find guavas are fantastic because they are growing so quickly, and having really delicious fruit. All of the guavas I've got, I really love the fruit. So the purple one had to come as well. And maybe for those who don't know it, a small purple skinned guava with round fruits around 3 to 4 centimeters. So also like a kind of a berries. Fruit looks a bit like a strawberry guava, but have much darker, more purple skin. Okay, now I've got the one I was looking so long. I was looking for it. Is the, guess what? The cherry of the Rio Grande. And I'm so happy I found it at our local markets. A lovely couple was selling this, found them online through Facebook, and then it turned out they have it, went to the market, and I've got these two beautiful little trees. So cherry of the Rio Grande, and of course 2 of them, because I was there on the markets, they also had the Kai apple, Kei, not sure how to pronounce it either. It's a thorny bush with apparently delicious fruit. So I'm really looking forward to this one as well. So I had to get 2 as well. If you know me and you know my channel, you will know that I am not buying many fruit trees. Most of them in my food forest are grown by myself from a seed or from cuttings. But now, yes, I did it. I bought a few. I just had to. And one more I bought off eBay, bare rooted, and so really hoping it will do well. It is not very happy yet, not recovered yet, but I really hope it will. This is the Chinese olive. So I don't know this fruit yet, never heard of it, just found it. It's a very rare fruit, and I'm looking forward to, really hoping this baby recovers. Doesn't look very happy, so yeah, fingers crossed. They are relatively small yet, all of them, so we'll replant it to bigger pots, keep it here in the nursery, protected from cold winds and cold temperatures, to make sure they are happy, and we'll plant them in spring. So yeah, what do you think about the new little fruit trees I've got? Do you have any of them? Do you like the fruit, or maybe is there anyone that you don't like of those what I've got here? Let me know in the comments. Oh, and now before I go, let's have a quick look at my Ceylon Hill gooseberry. And they're ripening one after the other. Look at it. Already had one here. Nice. Look at them. This one is 1 or 2 days off. Let's have a look at the other ones. Oh, here is one. Oh, yum, yum, yum. And there. Oh, lovely. Here some red ones. Oh, and here. Oh, yum. Nice. Oh, and my pineapple is ready. Okay, but now I let you go. Have a good day, guys. Bye bye.